In this video, we listed the 6 best beach accessories for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Microfiber Lightweight Thin Beach Towel. The Microfiber Lightweight Thin Beach Towel is a versatile and practical accessory designed for various outdoor and indoor activities. Available in a 4-pack, these towels are made from high-quality microfiber material, which offers several benefits for users. The towels are lightweight and thin, making them easy to carry and perfect for travel, whether you're heading to the beach, swimming pool, yoga class, gym, or on vacation. One of the standout features of these towels is their sand-free design, ensuring that sand shakes off easily, keeping the towel and your belongings clean. Additionally, they are quick-drying and super absorbent, making them ideal for frequent use. The large size provides ample coverage, making them suitable for adults who need a reliable towel that dries quickly and packs compactly. Product 2. Product name: Sportbrella Sun and Rain Canopy Umbrella. The Sportbrella Superbrella SPF 50+ Sun and Rain Canopy Umbrella is an 8-foot wide, versatile outdoor accessory designed for maximum protection and convenience during various activities such as camping, beach outings, and sports events. This canopy umbrella is engineered to shield users from the sun's harmful rays, offering SPF 50+ protection, which is crucial for reducing the risk of sunburn and long-term skin damage. The umbrella is also built to withstand rain, making it a reliable choice for unpredictable weather conditions. Its rugged design includes side flaps for full coverage, wind vents for stability, and internal pockets for storing personal items. The large canopy provides ample space, comfortably accommodating multiple people beneath it. The umbrella's blue color adds a vibrant touch, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Product 3. Product name: Ballast Beach Pillow. The Ballast Beach Pillow is an inflatable, multi-purpose pillow designed for use on beaches, during camping trips, and by the pool. This pillow stands out for its ultra-soft and durable material, ensuring comfort and long-lasting use. One of its key features is its resistance to being blown away on windy beaches, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts who frequent areas with strong winds. In line with the user's interest in portable and outdoor-friendly products, such as the Grail GeoPress water purifier and the Sportneer Compass, the Ballast Beach Pillow is another essential item that enhances comfort and convenience during outdoor activities. Whether you're lounging by the ocean, camping in the wilderness, or relaxing by the pool, this pillow provides the support and comfort needed to enjoy your time outdoors without the hassle of it getting carried away by the wind. Product 4. Product name: Inyoka Portable Beach Chair. The Inyoka Portable Beach Chair is a versatile and convenient outdoor seating solution, ideal for various activities such as camping, hiking, and beach outings. This chair is designed with portability in mind, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize ease of transport and setup. The chair comes with a backpack bag, which not only provides a convenient way to carry the chair but also offers additional storage space for other essentials. One of the standout features of the Inyoka Portable Beach Chair is its patented design, which underscores its innovative approach to outdoor seating. Despite being lightweight and compact, the chair is built to be durable and comfortable, providing reliable support during extended periods of use. The chair is also foldable, allowing it to be easily packed away when not in use, making it a practical choice for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Product 5. Product name: Sandpal Beach Toys Sandcastle Kit. The Sandpal Beach Toys Sandcastle Kit is a versatile and engaging set designed for both children and adults, making it an ideal addition to your outdoor and indoor play activities. The kit includes 9 pieces that are specifically crafted to enhance the sandcastle building experience. Whether you're on the beach, at a sandbox, or even using kinetic sand indoors, this set provides the tools needed to create intricate sand structures. This kit is suitable for children aged 3 to 12, but its thoughtful design also appeals to adults who enjoy creative outdoor activities with their kids. The set includes various sandcastle molds and tools that allow for the construction of detailed and impressive sand structures. The inclusion of a mesh bag makes it travel-friendly, ensuring that the pieces are easy to carry and store, whether you're heading to the beach or just keeping them organized at home. Product 6. Product name Mesh Beach Bag. The Mesh Beach Bag Vacation Essentials is a large tote designed for women, perfect for carrying all the essentials for a day at the beach or pool during a vacation. This beach bag is made from durable mesh material, which allows sand to easily sift through, ensuring that the contents stay clean and dry. The bag is spacious enough to hold beach towels, sunscreen, water bottles, snacks, and other beach accessories, making it an ideal choice for those who want to keep their items organized and accessible. The design focuses on practicality and style, with sturdy handles for easy carrying and a lightweight build that doesn't add unnecessary bulk. The breathable mesh fabric also helps to keep wet items from getting musty, making it perfect for carrying swimsuits or damp towels. This bag complements other vacation essentials, providing a reliable and fashionable solution for organizing and transporting beach gear.